Hi guys, I am Mr. JJ. Welcome to my channel. This video is about investing in stock market. What do you think is the best investment idea? Savings account? Fixed deposits? Real estate? What if I say the stock market is one of the best options? Yes. But don't people lose a lot of money in the stock market? That's true in some instances. But if you know to trade sensibly, you will make better returns from it than any other investment. For example, the stock price of HDFC Bank was 50 rupees in 2005. But it increased 2,500% to 1,250 rupees in 15 years. If you had deposited the same amount of money in fixed deposits, it would only have become 208 rupees if calculated at 10% per year. Let us look into another example. The share price of Hindustan Unilever Limited was 240 rupees in 2000. But it rose to 2,195 rupees, an increase of 914% in 20 years. Let us investigate investment options in detail. Savings account. The highest interest rate for savings accounts in India is 4%. But inflation rates are killing your savings. It was 5.05% in 2019. Which means the value of money you deposited in savings accounts reduced 1 to 2% last year. Fixed deposits. This is one of the safest investment with around 6 to 8% returns per year. But, think twice. With inflation rates around 5 to 6% per year, you are not making much of a profit. Besides, interest rates have been decreasing dramatically in the past decade. India will one day become like one of those developed Western countries where the interest rates are only 2 to 3% per annum. Real estate. Real estate has given people enough profits in the past. But, things are changing. Nowadays, people can't afford to buy an already overpriced property. This, in turn, could reduce the growth of real estate in the future. Moreover, you need a lot of money to get into the property ladder. But there's studies still hopeful about the growth of this sector. So let's not forget it. This brings us to the stock market. I know what you are thinking. It is, of course, a risk in the short term. But historic data proves it is the best long-term investment. The stock market never grows in a straight line. You may see dips very often. But that's how it works, and eventually, it grows upwards. Look at the graph of Sensex. Sensex increased by 615% from 2005 to 2020, which is just 15 years. Nifty 50 increased by 232% in the last 10 years. Also, you can start investing with very little money. Save a few bucks, to begin with, and see the magic by yourself. Alright, then why do people lose money on stock markets? There are a few reasons. Trying to make quick money. Investing in only one share or asset class. Closing trades on loss. Less research. Using leverage to buy stock. What can we do to profit from the stock market? Start early and be patient. Don't sell stocks if they drop in price. Diversify investments or invest in mutual funds or Etfs. Do proper research and pick stocks with high growth potential. What is the future of the share market in India? Well, India is a developing country. It has a lot of potential and manpower for growth. Literature rates are at an all-time high. The World Economic Forum has stated the upcoming dominance of India in the near future. Historic data has proved Indian stock markets have been growing around 15% yearly excluding dividends. If that trend continues, 1,000 rupees you invest today will become more than 6 lakh rupees in 30 years. Why is the stock market down now? Will it recover? What will be the impact of coronavirus? The stock market always goes through a series of challenges through its journey. Our generation has seen several financial crises, changes in governments and policies, international policy changes, different pandemics like SARS, etc. But markets always rise back into its glory after each depression. COVID-19 will be no different. So, what is the best strategy now? Many stocks are at their ever lowest value. They will obviously rise after the pandemic gets under control. But do not invest all your savings into the stocks, as there is always a risk. Spend some time to analyze the market and pick the best stocks with potential to grow. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will explain more in the coming videos. Leave your comments below.